Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to explore the best AI art for you. So what you want to do is to go to this website app.leonardo.ai. Once you click on it, it should bring you to a web page similar to what I am on, and you can now choose, just scroll down to see the community creations and what other people have worked on, which you can model to yours. So you can just scroll down and see the various images people have worked on. Let's say you want to create something similar to this, which is very cute. You can just click on it. It should bring you a pop-up window where you can copy the prompt and see every other detail that went into it. Now with this you can easily create a similar image to what you are looking at. You can also scroll down and choose and explore what you want to just explore it generally. You can also, if you are done with the exploration, you can come back here or scroll up and just choose something. Let's say you are looking for a specific character, or you just want to check photography images. You can click on the photography section or the animal section or the anime, just or depending on what you want to achieve. So I have gone ahead to click on photography and to bring out the best photography images out there, and now I can choose and work with what I have. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.